Good morning, everybody. It's 8 o'clock in Utah, and I'm not sure where everybody is from, and that's okay. We're excited that you're on. So whether you're in Cameroon or whether you are in Texas or Maryland or Minnesota or wherever you are, we're grateful that you jumped on with us this morning. And I think one of my favorite things about this morning is that as we talk about some of the cannabinoids and the different products, I'm excited to be able to share them because we have a package going to Cameroon as I speak. It's going to be there. So you guys will be able to actually get these products, which is exciting because I know we've talked about it for so long. And thankfully, Rosa and Dr. Raymond, they have a package of the skincare that we're going to be talking about today. It's en route. We're very excited about that. So we've spent some time working out shipping routes and different ways to get it there, and I'm excited that it isn't just talk now. You'll be able to learn about it, but you'll also be able to get it. So let me turn on my screen. I don't look nearly as handsome as Dr. Raymond, and Rosa just always looks amazing. So I hide because I'm not nearly as cute. I need my beautiful wife. She's the beautiful woman. I'm just it's kind of hard to see. It looks dark in this room. So I'm in my office this morning, and again, very excited. It's really dark, but really excited to have you here and to be a part of what we're talking about. So I'm actually wrong button. I'm going to turn it off. I don't look very good. I'm going to take a few minutes and just talk to you a little bit about our company and how we started and why this is so important to us. And then I'll let Dr. Raymond, who is much smarter than me, talk about the cannabinoids and how they work with your skin and why skincare is an important part of your endocannabinoid system. So I love this slide because every body has an endocannabinoid system. And again, Dr. Raymond, he will explain it better than I can. So the main takeaway for me as the formulator and the guy who makes the products is that when I work with these doctors, we talk about ways that even your skin, which has its own endocannabinoid system, how it works and how we can help make products that make our skin look amazing and help if we have issues like psoriasis or anything like that. So, and any type of skin eczema or even acne, different things. And cannabinoids can help your endocannabinoid system be in balance, which can help your skin look amazing. And if you don't believe me, just look at Rosa. She just glows. I love Rosa and a few other, I don't know if there's some more of my African women friends that I've met that are nurse practitioners and doctors, and their skin just glows. I love it. I absolutely love when I see them, and I feel like I have to take a tiny bit of credit because I know it's because they're taking such great products. So our bodies have cannabinoid receptors, and when you look here, your skin has cannabinoid receptors. Specifically, CB2 receptors are targeted in the skin. And so that's really important, like I said, to me as the formulator, because when Dr. Raymond shares his information and he talks about, the cannabinoid system and how it works, I'm focused on making sure that when I grow the cannabinoids, when I grow the plants, that I'm getting cannabinoids that target the CB2 receptors that we can put into the skincare, because if I do that, then I know we have a home run. So cannabinoids affect all of our bodies, all throughout our bodies, but obviously, like I said, he'll talk more about how it applies to skincare. This cannabinoid right here, I'm going to circle it, and I know Rosa actually gave me some great advice, so I'm going to try to make this bigger in the future here. But CBG, cannabidiol, is a fantastic cannabinoid for your skin. And we love CBD as well. We love this one. And I like CBC when it comes to some of the products that we put on externally for pain. So all of our skincare really focuses on CBG. It's a great anti-inflammatory. It's just a fantastic cannabinoid, and that's a big one that we focus on when we talk about helping people have skincare. So people come to me and to you. They'll even come to you eventually, hopefully, and say, "Why is Sukavu different? What makes them better? What is it that's unique?" And the uniqueness, part of the uniqueness is we grow our plants specifically so that we can extract certain cannabinoids so that when we put them in a product, they work better. So we don't just put CBD in everything and be like, oh, we're just going to use this one and that's it because that's the only one we have. We have access to this cannabinoid and this one right here, THCV, CBGC, CBE, CBDV. We don't use this one at all, so we don't use THC. CBD, CBE, CBG, CBC, CBN, and we're continuing to extract other cannabinoids as well. But like I tell people, vitamin C is not the end all be all vitamin. It's a good vitamin, but sometimes my body needs vitamin D. CBD is good, but your skin really thrives when it has CBG. It does even better when it has CBG. And so as we share this information and Dr. Raymond talks about, the science and medicine behind it, we've worked with doctors like Dr. Raymond to focus on how can we get these cannabinoids and get them in the skincare so that when you use the skincare, it makes a big difference. That is one of the major reasons that we're different. And I'm gonna actually skip that. Oh shoot, I grabbed the wrong slideshow. So I ended that. I'm gonna show, well, Dr. Raymond's gonna talk about it. I want to just share a couple of things with you. I clicked on the wrong show, but I think the most important thing that hopefully that I can share with you is this. We're real people I have 8 kids. I know that's crazy. But there's a lot of big African families too, right? So sometimes people hear 8 kids and they think, holy cow, that's a lot. Part of the reason that I worked hard to develop good skincare is because, when our skin looks good, we feel good. And I have 5 daughters. And, as they're going through the teenage years and even into early adulthood, oftentimes they get acne and spots and blemishes. And for people that have eczema or psoriasis, it can be painful, but not only that, it can be embarrassing. And it makes them embarrassed to go out into public. It makes them embarrassed to show their skin, maybe when they go swimming. And I wanted to be able to help people feel better about their bodies, to feel better about themselves. And the science behind it, Dr. Raymond can explain amazingly well. I just took that science that he researched and he did, and I blended it into some products so that we could help people feel better. We could help people's skin look clear and clean and amazing. And it was with that passion that we set out to be different. We didn't want to be just a CBD company. We wanted to help people not only feel better physically, but we wanted to help their skin feel better. We wanted to help their skin look better. We wanted to help them, like I said, when I look at Rosa, we wanted to help them glow and feel good about themselves. I know that's important to me. It's important to my family and my children, and so this has become a passion of ours. Dr. Raymond is on, and he is the smartest guy I know. he is incredibly smart, and he does a great job of explaining, the cannabinoid system and how it works. I love working with him and learning from him so that I get a chance to make products that can change people's lives. And so, Dr. Raymond, I don't even know if anybody understood what I said. I know you speak French way better than me, but it is with much love that we get the chance to work together, and much love that we get to share this with you. And like I said, I think my favorite part of all of this for us, is that you're going to have a chance, if you're in Africa, to be able to get these products here in the next week. You'll be able to actually get them and use them, and we're very excited about that. So, Dr. Raymond, I'll turn it over to you.
Merci
And,
beaucoup.
Merci.
Merci
Wait, no. What do I
beaucoup.
say? What do you say? That's thank you. How do I say you're welcome?
Thank you. Ah, you say merci.
Merci.
Je vous en prie. Where you want to say you're welcome, je vous en prie.
Je vous en prie.
Yes, je vous en prie.
All right, I'm learning a little at a time.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zen, for this very good introduction of Sokavo product. You know that you are the scientist in the lab, and without what you do, we cannot do anything. Thank you very much. OK, alors je fais juste la transition pour présenter ce que nous devions faire ce jour. Le thème de ce jour en français, comme l'a si bien demandé tout le monde, permettez-moi d'avoir rapidement la présentation. Voilà. On devrait parler aujourd'hui des bienfaits des cannabinoïdes sur la santé de la peau et sur les affections cutanées. Alors, permettez-moi de... Voilà. Alors, je suis le docteur Djoumé. Je suis médecin de santé publique. Je dois vous entretenir sur les bienfaits des cannabinoïdes sur la santé et les affections de la peau. Je vais vous entretenir aussi, dans une moindre mesure, je vais pas compliqué, hein? Soyez rassurés, je vais parler des mécanismes d'action biomoléculaire des cannabinoïdes sur les maladies de la peau. Cette présentation a été demandée une fois de plus par des dames qui sont très intéressées par les effets bénéfiques de ces produits parce que, vous savez, nous avons la médecine conventionnelle qui utilise les médicaments. Nous avons aussi la phytothérapie d'autre part, complémentaire. Nous pensons aujourd'hui que nous devons exploiter tout ce que nous avons comme produits naturels pour accompagner des médicaments qu'on utilise, dont souvent les effets secondaires sont très, très lourds et dont souvent la présence réduit et minimise les effets secondaires. Alors, Sokavo, c'est la différence. Hein? Ce n'est pas seulement un mode de vie, c'est aussi une philosophie. Vous avez vu tout à l'heure le chairman, M. Zen. Ça, c'est la philosophie Sofago, avec un brin d'humour, avec la sympathie, l'essence, le respect. Et également, les produits sont de bonne qualité. Et je vais vous dire, ce qui m'a marqué dans cette entreprise, c'est qu'elle va allier science, beauté, santé, performance et opportunité. Il y aura un moment où on va parler des opportunités. Alors, sur le plan légal, on va dire que le cannabis, c'est une substance qui n'est pas légalisée dans plusieurs pays à travers le monde. Ça nous appelle à faire le point et de faire le distinguo entre les cannabinoïdes et le cannabis. Les cannabinoïdes sont des substances produites par l'organisme et qui se retrouvent également dans des plantes, qui ont des propriétés thérapeutiques très importantes et qui participent au maintien et à la constance de certains paramètres du milieu intérieur. Donc, les cannabinoïdes, c'est des substances qui sont produites par le corps lui-même. Et ces substances ont des propriétés thérapeutiques énormes. Alors, les phytocannabinoïdes se retrouvent donc dans ce groupe de médicaments qui vont booster le fonctionnement de l'organisme et permet de lutter contre certaines maladies. Alors, nous pouvons dire aujourd'hui que il y a des avantages d'utilisation des CBD sur la peau. La peau possède son propre système endocannabinoïde auquel le cannabidiol va se lier, et il est également efficace dans un large éventail de problèmes de peau. Donc, comme les boutons, l'eczéma, le psoriasis, l'acné, la douleur, la peau sèche. Il faut dire aussi que toute cette situation se rencontre au-delà de 45 ans, chez l'homme et chez la femme, très souvent. Alors, et même avant. Alors, l'acné est causé par un déséquilibre hormonal, le stress, une alimentation qui n'est pas saine, les soins de pro qui sont inappropriés. Quel est le mécanisme de l'acné? On assiste à une augmentation du sébum. Le sébum, c'est la langue, c'est la substance qui est sécrétée au niveau de la peau par les glandes qui sont dans la peau. Alors, on dit aussi qu'il y a une implication des bactéries. Vous voyez, à ce moment-là, on a une infection de la peau ou des virus. Le traitement et la prévention va consister à une régulation par le cannabidiol du sébum dans les sébocytes. Le cannabidiol a aussi une activité antimicrobienne, comme l'a précisé si bien M. Zen dans le tableau rond qu'il a mis. Alors, vous allez voir ici là, que nous allons mettre de manière très schématique et très simple un mécanisme. À droite, vous avez le mécanisme de l'acné qui est associé à l'hyperkératinisation, c'est-à-dire l'épaississement de la peau. L'hyperséborrhée, vous voyez, la glande va s'agrandir parce qu'il y a hyperproduction au niveau, hypersécrétion au niveau de la glande, de ce qu'on appelle la séborrhée. Et il y a un phénomène aussi qui est l'inflammation. Vous voyez donc ici que l'action des récepteurs CBD, CB1 et CB2 à la surface de la cellule de la peau, va entraîner un blocage de l'hyperkératinisation ainsi que de l'hyperséborrhée et favoriser l'inflammation en même temps. Alors, le mécanisme d'action du CBD dans l'acné via les récepteurs est très simple. Vous allez voir que les CBD vont agir par des mécanismes lipostatiques, c'est-à-dire que réguler la sécrétion de lipides sur la peau, action contre la prolifération, comme on a vu tout à l'heure, antiproliférative, et une action anti-inflammatoire. Toujours chaque fois, quand il y a le cannabidiol, les récepteurs sont activés et ces effets-ci se ressentent et se traduisent souvent par la lutte contre la guérison de l'acné. Le psoriasis, c'est une autre maladie de la peau qui est une maladie auto-immune chronique dont le mécanisme est associé à l'accélération de la croissance et à la division des cellules. Le traitement du psoriasis est très varié en dehors des principes des traitements médicaux prescrits par les dermatologues, certains avec des effets anti-inflammatoires et autres effets. Les CBD avec leurs propriétés anti-inflammatoires pourra être ajouté à toutes les thérapies et les études montrent qu'il est efficace. Nous avons une situation que la peau vit très souvent, les rides, c'est le mot que je cherchais tout à l'heure, l'apparition des rides liées au vieillissement de la peau. Nous avons vu que les études ont mis en évidence l'effet antioxydant ajouté à l'effet anti-inflammatoire du cannabidiol pour lutter contre le vieillissement de la peau. Ça, c'est des choses qui sont des choses évidentes. C'est pour ça que pour maintenir la peau jeune, il faut utiliser ces substances, les dérivés cannabinoïdes. La dermatite, vous voyez, le mot dermatite vient de l'inflammation. Donc, l'action contre l'inflammation du CBD va faciliter la guérison, la lutte contre la dermatite. Alors, ici, nous avons un slide qui apparemment est compliqué, mais vraiment, on va le résumer très rapidement. vous allez voir ici que nous avons au niveau de la surface des cellules des récepteurs et les CBD vont agir sur ces récepteurs et il va résulter quoi? Il va résulter une diminution de la sécrétion des enzymes de l'inflammation, des médiateurs de l'inflammation, pardon, à savoir la cyclooxygénase, l'acide arachidonique, le tumor necrotic factor, l'interleukine 4, 6 et 12, ça c'est pour les médecins. Et il va arriver que ce que vous voyez là, diminution de l'inflammation, diminution de la douleur, et voilà comment le CBD va aller ici au niveau de la peau, entraîner diminution de la douleur et de l'inflammation. Ce qu'on appelle l'inflammation, c'est quand ça gonfle. Les gonflements que vous voyez là et les modifications qu'il y a sur la peau. Donc, le thé modèle, c'est un thé enchaîné. On ne peut pas parler de cannabidiol et des cannabinoïdes sans parler du thé enchaîné qui résulte du fait de la complexité de la peau, qui a une multifonction et qui a 3 couches. Hein. Il faut connaître les ennemis de la peau, qui sont l'environnement, le tabac, l'alcool, la mauvaise alimentation, le déséquilibre hormonal, avec pour conséquence des modifications biochimiques de l'ADN cellulaire. On l'a dit la dernière fois, sachez toujours que tout ce qui a comme pollution dans l'atmosphère agit au niveau de la cellule de la peau et ça modifie l'ADN cellulaire. Mais il y a un mécanisme de méthylation de l'ADN aussi qui va modifier l'expression du gène de l'ADN et aura une activité antitumorale. Donc, on peut dire ici que le CBD peut protéger, guérir et restaurer la peau et cela aide notre teint qui est dit enchaîné. Il aide pour la qualité de la peau, sa texture, sans imperfection. Donc, ici, nous allons voir ici que l'action conjuguée des enzymes métaboliques, récepteurs CB1, CB2 et des endocannabinoïdes est une action qui permet ici la bonne santé de la peau. Et cette action nécessite la présence des oméga 3 et les oméga 6 qui sont des précurseurs de la synthèse des endocannabinoïdes. C'est pour ça qu'on va se rendre compte que 60% d'adultes dans le pays américain, aux États-Unis d'Amérique, ont des problèmes sous-jacents d'inflammation parce qu'ils n'ont pas assez d'oméga 3 et 6. 8% des adultes et 1% d'enfants utilisent un supplément contenant l'huile de poisson oméga 3 et du DHA et l'EPA. 44% des patients ont déclaré souffrir de stress aussi. Le stress joue un rôle important dans la fabrication des cannabinoïdes. Donc, nous, on se rappelle donc du système endocannabinoïde. Ici, on a les récepteurs CB1 et les récepteurs CB2. On voit là que nous avons ici la peau. Nous avons ici la peau. Et on voit que les récepteurs CB2 se retrouvent dans la peau. Et ça veut dire que les cannabinoïdes agissent sur la peau. Alors, nous allons parler encore une fois de l'effet entourage pour dire que Sokavu a bien voulu respecter cet effet entourage dont la définition est de mettre ensemble plusieurs cannabinoïdes pour avoir un effet majoré. Ça, c'est la définition aussi simple qu'on puisse donner. Et sachant aussi que c'est comme quand vous faites un gâteau et que vous mettez tous les ingrédients, le gâteau a un bon goût. Mais si vous ne mettez pas tous les ingrédients, le gâteau n'aura pas un bon goût. C'est ça qu'on appelle l'effet entourage qui permet d'avoir les suppléments, les cannabinoïdes de très bonne qualité parce qu'on a mis la plupart des phytocannabinoïdes et les flavonoïdes aussi dedans, dans le supplément qui sont utilisés et qui sont faits par l'entreprise Sokavu. Donc, quelle est l'action des cannabinoïdes sur la peau? Nous avons vu tout au long de cette présentation que les cannabinoïdes améliorent efficacement la santé de la peau. Nous avons vu que l'action épigénétique sur les gènes, qu'ils avaient une action épigénétique sur les gènes de différenciation. On a parlé de la méthylation tout à l'heure. Nous avons vu que c'était une alternative efficace comme topique pour les problèmes de peau. C'est-à-dire qu'un topique naturel, une substance naturelle que vous utilisez pour les problèmes de peau, vous dites bye-bye à tous les problèmes de peau. Donc, le CBD contrôle aussi les gènes qui vont coder pour les défauts affectant les cellules de la peau. Vous voyez que non seulement il agit directement par un mécanisme anti-inflammatoire, antioxydant, mais ils vont aller agir sur les gènes. Comment ils agissent sur les gènes? En provoquant la destruction des mauvaises cellules ou blancs, ou bien en faisant la promotion et la méthylation de l'ADN pour faire de très bonnes cellules de qualité pour un teint bien enchanté. Alors, les CBD et leur action sur la peau. Donc, nous avons vu, et on revoit toujours, on rappelle que les cannabinoïdes soulagent l'inflammation. Les cannabinoïdes soulagent les démangeaisons et les brûlures. Voici les indications, comme vous voyez. Piqûre d'insectes, vous mettez les cannabinoïdes, ça arrête les pleurites et ça bloque l'inflammation. Les infections, les blessures et les plaies. Parce qu'ils ont aussi un effet cicatrisant, comme on va le voir tout à l'heure. Dans quel cas est-ce qu'on doit donner ces produits phytocannabinoïdes pour la peau? Dans des boutons, des pores obstrués, des points noirs, les défauts de visage, eczéma et psoriasis, plaies et bosses, peau flasque et inégale, éruption cutanée. Alors, nous avons ici donc les cannabinoïdes qui représentent un héros de la peau à triple action. Donc, comme on l'a dit tout à l'heure, le système endocannabinoïde, qui est un système qui stabilise l'équilibre de la peau, de tout ce qui se passe dans la peau, la régulation épigénétique qu'on a vue par la méthylation, l'action antioxydante et de protection de la peau du fait des cannabinoïdes, et ajoutons l'action anti-inflammatoire au niveau de la peau pour lutter contre l'eczéma, le psoriasis. Le héros de la peau à triple action est le CBD, comme le témoignent plusieurs études qui montrent que l'inhibition de la prolifération des kératinocytes dans le psoriasis. Donc, l'action stébostatique et anti-inflammatoire, ça veut dire que ça stabilise la sécrétion du sébum et un effet anti-inflammatoire. Ça favorise le contrôle épigénétique des gènes de différenciation cutanée, contrôle l'expression de la kératine humaine et module la prolifération des kératinocytes. Donc, moduler, stabilise, contrôle. Quand c'est en excès, il ralentit. Quand c'est en déficit, il ajuste. Il y a la modulation des chymokines pro-inflammatoires et la régulation de l'inflammation. Les cannabinoïdes atténuent la dermatite de contact. Il y a une possibilité d'efficacité sur le prurite chronique. Les cannabinoïdes régulent la hausse de la mélanogénèse. C'est un nouvel allié anti-rides pour le renouvellement des cellules, comme vous allez le voir tout à l'heure. Donc, en ce qui concerne les ongles et les cheveux, nous avons plusieurs indications. Imperfection des ongles, chute des cheveux, croissance insuffisance, chute des cheveux, épaississement de la peau à la racine de l'ongle. Voilà les indications. Et les causes sont variées pour les problèmes du cheveu, l'alimentation, la mauvaise santé intestinale. On a parlé du microbiome intestinal, la mauvaise qualité du cuir chevelu, l'hyperactivité, acidité du milieu intérieur. Quand le milieu intérieur a un pH trop bas, ce n'est pas bon. C'est un médicament aussi. Pour les ongles et les cheveux, il y aura stimulation de la croissance des cheveux, hydratation, protection des dommages environnementaux, amélioration de la qualité des cheveux. Alors, nous avons plusieurs médicaments ici, ne regardez pas trop ça, qui sont qui vont revenir dans notre étude parce qu'ils peuvent moduler la sécrétion, le fonctionnement, le CBD peut moduler le fonctionnement de ces médicaments, soit en potentialisant leur effet, soit en diminuant leur effet dans le corps. Ces médicaments sont cités, la liste peut être conduite aux professionnels de santé. Alors, nous allons passer maintenant au produit Sokavu. On a dit que Sokavu alliait pour Sokavu et la peau et la beauté de la peau. Nous avons le Supreme Facial Toner, nous avons le Daily Cleanser, nous avons le Deep Skin Cleanser. Ce pack, tonus facial, sérum clarifiant facial, nettoyant quotidien profond, va être utilisé contre l'acné. Il va rendre la peau plus claire et plus souple. Ces produits seront disponibles la semaine prochaine au Cameroun. Alors, les sérums, vous savez, les sérums, c'est quelque chose de très, très concentré et de très bonne qualité. Nous avons le sérum clarifiant facial, le sérum nourrissant contour des yeux, le sérum anti-âge, le sérum facial ultime, par leurs propriétés anti-âge, anti-rides, hydratant, anti-acné, anti-inflammatoire, revitalisant, jeunesse et effet rajeunissant contour des yeux. Tous ces sérums ont un intérêt majeur dans la beauté de la peau de la femme. Maintenant, les huiles cannabinoïdes qui sont très variées, 150 en termes de dosage, 150, 300, 600, 1200, ils ont plusieurs goûts. Goût noix de coco, cannelle, menthe, vanille, vous avez le choix qui est varié, vont contenir les CBD, CBG, CBDV, CBN, CBC. Vous voyez que l'effet entourage est respecté et les indications de ces huiles qui sont prises par voie orale sont très variées. Alors, M. Zen nous parlait du Rescue Balm, qui est l'un des produits phares que M. Zen a mis sur pied, qui est un produit qui va combiner l'huile d'argousier, les produits cicatrisants, qui est un cannabinoïde idéal pour les brûlures, les coups de soleil, les éruptions cutanées, la peau sèche et le conditionnement général de la peau. Nous avons le Rescue Balm, qui, on voit ici, là, on a sur ce slide l'évolution d'un psoriasis avant et après l'utilisation du Rescue Balm. Avec un usage modéré seulement, en quelques semaines, vous voyez donc une différence dans l'action entre cette patiente avant la prise de son traitement et ici, après la prise de son traitement. Nous pensons que ces produits sont d'un intérêt majeur en dermatologie. Nous avons aussi le Citrus Plus Body Cream. Le Citrus Plus Body Cream, c'est une crème hydratante qui adoucit la peau. Elle rajeunit votre peau. Elle aussi, elle est cicatrisante et elle repart les problèmes de peau. Elle convient à tout type de peau. Peau blanche, noire, jaune et autres. Le Body Polish de Sokavu, ici, nous on a un produit vraiment très intéressant qui est utilisé comme engommage et en exfoliation à la poudre de coquille très fine, à base de poudre de coquille très fine, permet d'éliminer les cellules mortes de la peau. Donc, l'action combinée des cannabinoïdes après avoir éliminé ces cellules mortes de la peau permet à la peau d'avoir un aspect lisse et radieux. En plus, le body polish de Sokavu a un délicieux parfum d'orange et menthe qu'on sent agréablement sur la peau. Alors, nous avons revenu sur les types de cannabinoïdes qui sont très variés. Le cannabichromène, le cannabidiol, le cannabidivirin, dont les indications sont aussi très variées. Le cannabigérol, encore appelé CBG, le cannabinol, encore appelé CBN. Au fur et à mesure qu'on va avancer, ces différents cannabinoïdes sont utilisés par Sokavu, mis en place par Sokavu, sont développés par Sokavu, avec toutes ces indications qui sont très variées. Ils participent donc à la composition des différents suppléments mis à la disposition du public. Alors, l'effet bénéfique des cannabinoïdes sur la santé est très varié. Nous avons parlé déjà des convulsions dans l'épilepsie, lutte contre les convulsions dans l'épilepsie. Il faut dire qu'ici, la Food and Drug Administration aux États-Unis a déjà adopté comme un traitement de choix, le traitement de premier ordre, les CBD, pour lutter contre l'épilepsie. Et il y a le ralentissement de la croissance des cellules cancéreuses, il y a le glaucome, il y a l'action sur la maladie de Parkinson, il y a l'action sur l'hépatite C, le traitement de l'hépatite C, il y a l'action sur le traitement de la maladie de Crohn, qui est une inflammation chronique au niveau digestif. Donc, en même temps, l'arthrite va être soulagée. Et puis, il faut dire que c'est utilisé aussi pour maintenir une personne en bonne santé et éviter le surpoids. Donc, le syndrome post-traumatique est aussi, le stress post-traumatique est aussi ici combattu. Il est utilisé dans ce syndrome, la douleur, l'asthme et l'anxiété. Alors, comme le témoignent plusieurs études faites à travers le monde, avec leur effet entourage, les cannabinoïdes contenus dans les produits de Sokavu jouent un rôle important, majeur dans la lutte contre les affections de la peau, en préventif et en curatif. Nous avons décrit les mécanismes plus hauts. Nous pouvons dire que le système endocannabinoïde participe à l'homéostasie. L'homéostasie, c'est quoi? C'est la constance du milieu intérieur. C'est la capacité qu'a le milieu intérieur, l'organisme, de stabiliser tous ses paramètres, la tension artérielle, le taux de sucre dans le sang. Tous les paramètres de cholestérol sont maintenus grâce à ce qu'on appelle l'homéostasie. Il participe encore plus au niveau de la peau, car au niveau de la peau, nous avons des récepteurs CB1 et CB2, et ceux-ci restent des cibles thérapeutiques majeures. Nous pouvons dire que Sokavu a mis à disposition du public une gamme très large de suppléments alimentaires et dérivés cannabinoïdes dont les effets restent un atout majeur pour la santé. En assurant le contrôle épigénétique des gènes de différenciation cutanée, Sokavu joue un rôle, par ses dérivés cannabinoïdes, un rôle majeur dans la lutte contre la maladie. Je vous remercie pour votre bien aimable attention.
If you're on for the first time, welcome, and I want to introduce you to Sokavu. We are a company that believes in helping people live unlimited. And I know that sometimes when we talk about skincare, people might not think that's maybe the most important thing in the world, but I'm a dad. I have 8 kids. And I know for my children, my daughters, my sons, that when, you know, their bodies, as they turn into teenagers and young adults, oftentimes we have some skin issues. And even as adults, my wife has struggled with adult acne, and it can be embarrassing. It can be make you feel uncomfortable in public. With eczema or psoriasis, it can be painful too. It's not just that we don't like to, you know, maybe go swimming in front of people or different things, but it also can be very painful. And so when I first started learning about cannabinoids 8 years ago and manufacturing products, because that's what I do, I'm the formulator. We focused on a lot of other health issues. We focused on, you know, anxiety and depression and even cancer and stomach issues. And I was really grateful that we could create products that could help with those things. But some of the newest research in the early, you know, 2014, 15, and 16, the studies were showing how it could help your skin, how cannabinoids could help your skin, because your skin has its own system. And when I first learned this, I started meeting with doctors and estheticians and other people who dealt with skin issues specifically. And we wanted to make organic supplements and skincare treatments that could really change people's lives with cannabinoids. And that's what we did. And that's what we want to share with you today. And Dr. Raymond will talk about the science behind it, but I want to share with you what makes us different and why you should consider using these products, number one. And number two, come join us. We need more people sharing our story. We need more people helping other people. We would love to have you be a part of our Sokavu team. So like I said, I'm the chief formulator for Sokavu, and I spend my time manufacturing products. We have 4 very distinct values and very distinct missions, things that are very important to us. And the first one is that we know all of our products. I know where the plants are grown. There are people on this call today, and we'll get a chance to hear from some of them in a little bit, that have actually been to our farms. They've seen our facilities. They know where we manufacture the products. And we invite all people to come and check it out. We want you to know exactly what you're putting on your skin, because skincare is, again, it's just another part of living healthy and living the best you that you can be. One of my friends on here, her name is Rosa. She looks like she's 21. She's really 23. I'm teasing. Every time we travel and go someplace, I always think, wow, she looks like she's 20. And I know she's in her 50s. And it just blows me away how amazing she looks. And I would like to hope that we have a huge part in that, because I know she uses our skincare products. So, but we know our products. She's actually been to our facilities and our farm. We like to share good information, which is why we do this on Saturdays. You get a chance to hear from me sometimes, from some doctors other times, and we try to bring experts who know exactly what they're talking about and how to help you. We like to share that information, and we do it for free. We just like to share with other people, and then tell you how you can actually get products, and you can even get cash back on them, which we think is really cool. We like great relationships, and we like to serve other people. That is our mission statement at Sukavu. This is our farm. We don't just buy something off the internet and put a label on it and hope that it works. This is a picture of our farm. This is our outdoor farm. We have indoor farms where we grow as well. And again, we invite everybody. If you want to come visit our farm, you're always welcome to come to Utah or come to Oregon and visit our farms. But this is not a picture from the internet. This is a picture that we took while we were growing our plants. And we absolutely love being able to grow our own plants, because none of our products contain THC. You never have to worry about testing positive for a drug test. And you also can feel confident that we can ship these products all over the world. We just actually shipped a bunch of skincare to Africa, to Cameroon. For the first time, we were able to do it and get it done. And we're very excited about that. We can ship it anywhere in the United States or any other country. We'll figure it out. We've been making and manufacturing skincare products now for 8 years. It's extremely bioavailable to your skin, so you'll notice quickly the effects of it. And all of our products are third-party lab tested, so you can have the confidence to know that we're testing it every step of the way. I made this a little bit bigger. There are 115 cannabinoids. 115. That's crazy to think about, because most people only know about maybe THC and maybe CBD, but they don't know about the benefits of other cannabinoids like CBG or CBC or THCV or CBGC or CBD. They don't know about these. They only have heard of these two. And while these two are good, and we're not bagging on them, none of our products have this in it, by the way, but while they do different things, CBD is a good cannabinoid, but it's not the only one. In our skincare, we have CBD, we have CBG, we have CBC, we have CBN, and we have CBDV. These are all cannabinoids that are in our skincare line, because we know that our skin does really well when we have multiple cannabinoids. The major cannabinoids that we have in our skincare is CBG, because it's such a good anti-inflammatory. It's such a great, it's an anti-wrinkle, for ladies who always like to look young. It's a very, very good cannabinoid. And it's so good too with people who have like eczema or psoriasis or anything like that. Cannabinoids affect our bodies in lots of different ways, from our brain to our stomach, to our intestines, to our heart, to pain. But the biggest organ in all of is our skin, right? That's the biggest organ that we have. And if we can help people with skin issues, it makes it better. And so CBG, that's the one I was talking about earlier. It's such a great anti-inflammatory. It's a really good pain reliever as well. And one of the products I'm going to share with you works great for both of those two things. If you ingest it, obviously it can be an antidepressant and an antiarrhythmic and hypertensive, but it's so good for your skin as those two things. Obviously CBC here is also a pain reliever. So when we're helping people, even with a bug bite, as something as simple as a bug bite, when people, maybe it itches or it's inflamed or it hurts a little bit, just by rubbing some of our skincare on it, it can take that away quickly. And so that's a very, very good thing to have. Our nitric oxide is also actually really good for your skin. Even though you ingest it, it helps your skin function well because it's helping the blood flow in your body. So this is one of the things that people can take internally that actually helps externally. Most of our products, like I said, they contain 5 or more cannabinoids, including CBD and CBG and CBN, CBDV, and that's very unique. For example, this oil is a 600 milligram oil. You see it, but when you look at the lab test, there's 5 different cannabinoids from CBD to CBDV to CBG and CBN and CBC. These are the things that make Sukavu unique, and honestly, we feel like the very best. As you can tell, the THC, there's none. There's none detected. They couldn't detect any THC in the oil at all. And so that's the oil that we start with. We start with that, and then we blend it. And oops, I'll come back to this because again, it's a lot of information. But we blend it with other ingredients like sea buckthorn oil, which happens to be a omega-7 dense superfruit. We blend it with some coconut oil and a few other things, and we add those cannabinoids, and we end up with results like this. This is a before and after picture of somebody who had psoriasis. Just by putting our rescue balm and rubbing it on their skin, it started to heal up quickly, and they had a fantastic result. Going back to this screen, and this is just a lot of information, but in here it talks about CBC, CBG, CBD, and how they treat fungal skin infections. So people have fungus. And again, I'll let Dr. Raymond talk about the science behind it. But those 3 cannabinoids in lab tests were shown to be awesome at helping people who have issues with any type of fungal infection. Those 3 also work great, like I said, with any type of like eczema, psoriasis, or other skin conditions. We have a body cream. The difference between the body cream, and I'm going to go back to this one, and the balm, the ingredients are similar, but they're a little bit different in that the cream is, as it probably sounds, it's more of a cream that can be used more like a lotion, where the balm is a little bit thicker and you can rub it on bites or sunburns or things like that. You can also do the same with the body cream. It's just a different consistency. The Citrus Splash body cream, I love it. I'm a man and I don't wear lotion. It's the one lotion that I will actually, well, it's a cream, but it's, I got yelled at by one of the estheticians. She said, there's a difference between the lotion, cream, butter, right? And I'm like, oh man, I apologize. So it's a body cream. I shouldn't call it lotion, but I compare it to lotion because that's how it feels to me. But when we created this, we wanted to make something that leaves your skin just looking amazing and feeling good. And like I said, as a man, I actually will use it. A lot of time, I think guys, we think we're too strong or tough to use skincare, but it's actually really, really good for your skin. This is a line of products that I'm extremely proud of, simply because we developed this to help with people that have skin issues, particularly on their face. And so we created a deep cleanser. And the beautiful thing about this is that with all the studies we did, it works great whether you have dry skin, whether you have oily skin, whether you have chaotic skin. We use some activated charcoal, which helps absorb dirt and impurities. It leaves your skin and looking great. A lot of people use it on their hair as well. Everything we do is vegan. It's paraben free. It's phthalate free. It's gluten free. We use organic fruits like orange peel, sugar cane, sugar maple, cranberry fruit, some tea tree, and then we add that with our cannabinoids, which reduces inflammation. So as you're cleansing your skin, you're not only cleaning it, but you're helping reduce inflammation as well. My wife is very, very, very specific about her skincare routine. And once she started using this, I don't think I could get her to use anything else. It is such a good cleanser. After you cleanse your skin, you want to use toner, and you want to tone your skin. That prepares it to receive serums. Again, we added cannabinoids to our toner so that it'll help with inflammation. We use organic aloe, which again is awesome for all skin types. So people, you don't have to worry about whether it's oily skin or dry skin. We use all organic peppermint essential oils. This product is organic. Again, it's vegan, it's paraben free, and you can either spray it or you can put it into spray it into a cloth or a cotton ball, and then you can dab if you want to. It uses white willow bark extract, which we know is great for acne, as well as the cannabinoids that Dr. Raymond will talk about. And when we blend those cannabinoids with these other really good ingredients, it does a great job. This is what even my son, who when he got acne in his teenage years, he used this and absolutely loved it. From there, we created some serums. The serums come on after the toner. We have an anti-aging serum. This is what makes Rosa look 21. She's just getting younger and younger and younger. From, every time you put this on, you lose a year. It's just a great serum, and we have a 5% concentration of niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, but it's been proven to show it helps with wrinkles. It's just a very, very good anti-aging serum. So you can put that on your skin. You can put it on in the morning and the evening. It just feels good. A lot of people, after serums, they put on a night cream or a day cream. And we've created one. We actually don't sell it currently because the feedback that we've gotten for so long is that the serums do a fantastic job and you don't really need to add a night cream. We have a clarifying one for people who might struggle with acne, or maybe scars, or maybe you've got some blemishes that you want to help get rid of. This is a beautiful serum for that. We also have an under eye serum for people that maybe they want to fix stuff if they've got any bags or anything under their eyes. We have a whole line of products. What I want to tell you is this: we are very lucky because we get to work with amazing doctors like Dr. Raymond, Dr. Liddy, Dr. Folafak, Dr. Tetka. We've got doctors who are very, very smart. And sometimes skincare doesn't seem nearly as important as cancer research. And I understand that. But I do know the importance of feeling good and feeling comfortable in your own skin, and being able to, not feel embarrassed when you go out into public, or not feel embarrassed because maybe you have a skin issue. And so that's the reason we did a skincare line. We wanted to make it so people could feel better about themselves. And with that, I want to let Dr. Raymond explain the science behind it. I know we've got some other doctors and nurse practitioners and people on the call today, and he can explain the science much better than I can. I take the science that he has and I put it into products that people can feel comfortable with. After he gets done talking about the science behind this, I do want to have a few people share maybe their experience with it. With that, hopefully you picked up a little thing. But listen, we all know somebody who has a teenager or who wants to look younger. And so if you know anybody who would love to have an experience with some great skincare products, I think these are the top of the line and you'll absolutely be impressed. My favorite thing about them too, and I'm going to say this, is that they're very, very, very affordable. And you can get cash back on them even. But when I started making the serums, I'll share one quick story. I had a lady in Ohio who is an esthetician, and I made the serums and I gave them to her. And she said, "Wow, this is incredible. Please tell me that you're going to sell these for less than $200 a piece." Because she's like, I would pay $200, but I don't know that, if you can sell them for $150, that would be great. And I was like, wow, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to make great products, organic and natural, but we're going to make them so affordable that anybody can get them. So I'm very proud of that as well. So Dr. Raymond, sorry that I cut into some of your time. I just wanted to share Sukavu a little bit with people and some of our products. I know you'll talk about them as well, but thank you so much for joining us. And I'm going to turn the time over to you all and stop sharing my screen and let you share yours. And if you have questions, we will answer them. Quick question: can clean or dry hair out or take out hair colored hair? This cleanser doesn't dry out your hair. If you have dyed your hair or something, it can actually take some of that out though. So yes, good question, Shelby. Okay, Dr. Raymond, they're all yours.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zen, for this great presentation. Thank you for this opportunity to talk about skin problem. Let me see what's there. I will not insist on mechanism of action, even if they are very important. So Socavo has a wide range of products in various indications. So, so today they asked me to talk about the benefit effect of cannabinoids on health and skin affections. We are going to talk also about the mechanism of action of this cannabinoid on the skin. So let us remember that Kavu is not just a lifestyle, it's also a philosophy. We have supreme product. This is the priority of our chairman. So we combine science, beauty, health, performance, and several opportunities. So we can see on this world map that cannabis is forbidden in certain countries, but let us make the difference between cannabis and cannabinoids. The World Health Organization authorized the use of cannabinoids for medical reasons already. So cannabinoids can be used everywhere for medical reasons. So now, what are the benefits of using this cannabinoid on the skin? It concerns wrinkles, eczema, psoriasis, acne, pain, and dry skin. The skin has its own endocannabinoid system to which CBD binds. It is also effective in a wide range of skin problems. So what is acne? It is caused by hormonal imbalance, stress, and unhealthy diet, improper skin care. The mechanism is just an increase of sebum secretion. Bacteria, virus can also be implicated. The treatment and prevention, CBD can regulate the production of sebum in sebocytes. CBD is an antimicrobial agent. So how does CBD works in acne? Here we have the normal mechanism of acne associating hyperkeratinization, hyperseborrhea, and inflammation. We can see that the activation of receptor of this endocannabinoid receptor is leading to the absence of inflammation and the fight against hyperseborrhea, and is going to stop hyperkeratinization. So CBD can act on the skin after activation of this receptor in three mechanisms. We have lipostatic action, we have anti-proliferative action, and we have anti-inflammatory action also. So talking about psoriasis, what are the causes? Psoriasis is associated with autoimmune disease. The mechanism is thus the acceleration of cell growth and division. The treatment associates CBD with an anti-inflammatory property that can be added to all various therapy, and study shows that it is effective. So what are the effects on skin aging? Studies highlight the antioxidant added to anti-inflammatory effect of CBD to fight against skin aging. Concerning dermatitis, CBD acts by its anti-inflammatory effect on dermatitis. So here we can see the mechanism of action against inflammation. So you can see that all those names, interleukin 6, 4, 12, are chemical mediators of inflammation. You have also prostaglandin, that is a mediator of inflammation. We can see in this slide that the activation of these receptors is going to decrease the liberation of all those mediators of inflammation. And this is going to reduce inflammation and reduce the pain also. So what is enchaining complexion is that the human skin is a complex of multifunctional and protective with 3 layers. We have enemies of healthy skin like environment, alcohol, smoking, poor diet, hormonal imbalance. This is leading to what biochemical changes of cell DNA. There is also DNA methylation that modifies expression of DNA and has an anti-tumor activity. CBD can protect, heal, and restore the skin, and this helps our complexion. It helps for the quality of the skin, the texture, and a skin without imperfection. So we can see on this slide that the activation of the endocannabinoid system, there is a combined action of metabolic enzymes, receptors, and endocannabinoid hormone substances. So the synthesis of this endocannabinoid requires omega-3 or omega-6. And we can have this in what we eat. And it has been shown that 60% of adults have underlying issue with inflammation because the quality of food is not good. There is not enough omega-3 and 9. We know also that 8% of adults and 1% of children use supplements containing fish oil. So omega-3, DHA, EPA. And 44% of patients are reported with stress. So we can see on this slide that this is the skin. We have CB2 receptor on the skin. So this shows that the endocannabinoid system acts on the skin. The same with phytocannabinoid substances. So let us talk about this entourage effect, very important effect that is showing that to have a good supplement, we have to mix up all those cannabinoids to have the best supplement. And Mr. Zen is talking all the time about this entourage system. This entourage system is what make Sokabo product one of the best. So it's just like if you are baking a cake without all the ingredients, it will not taste good. But if you bake a cake with all ingredients, it will taste good. So how does CBD act on skin problem? It effectively improves the health of the dermal skin. There is also an epigenetic action on differentiation of genes. Effective topical alternative for skin problem. CBD also controls the expression of genes encoding all defects in skin cells by blocking them and causing apoptosis. Apoptosis is a programmed cellular death. So what is going to happen is that CBD is going to activate the immunity to destroy those cells that are not good, that are not normal. So how does CBD work on the skin problem? Relieve inflammation, relieve itching and burning, act on insect bite, against infections, act on injuries and sore. This is indicated in pimples, Colgate pore, blackhead, face defect, eczema and psoriasis, wound and bumps, flabby and pachy skin, skin rash. So there is a triple action as a screen arrow of the phytocannabinoid on the skin. There is First, the endocannabinoid system balance. Secondly, there is epigenetic regulation. Thirdly, there is an antioxidant protection on the skin. And there is also anti-inflammatory action on the skin. So, several studies demonstrate the following effect of CBD on the skin. Inhibition of proliferation of keratinocytes in psoriasis. We saw psoriasis that was an inflammation, increase of keratinocytes. But CBD is going to inhibit this proliferation. There is also a static and anti-inflammatory action. Sebostatic is just a sort of regulation of the secretion of sebum on the skin. There is an epigenetic control of skin differentiation genes. There is control of expression of human keratin and modulation of the proliferation of keratinocytes. We also have CBD can modulate the secretion of pro-inflammatory chemokine and thus regulate inflammation. We saw it on the slide before. CBD alleviates contact dermatitis, possibly of efficacy on chronic pruritus. CBD regulates the increase of melanogenesis. New anti-wrinkle alive through the cell renewal. So it's indicated those are indications on skin and on hair and nails, imperfection of fingernails, hair loss, insufficient growth, hair fall, thickening of the skin at the root of the fingernail. The causes are various. Food, bad intestinal health. We have the microbiota, bad quality of scalp, hyperacidity of the internal environment, medicine, certain medicine. So how does it work also? It can stimulate the hair growth, hydrate, protect against environmental damages, improve the hair strength. So you have certain drugs that are going to enhance to the action that action are going to enhance under cannabinoid, and certain are going to reduce their action under cannabinoid. So we have to know which drug can be associated or no with cannabinoid. So now we are going to talk about certain products. Mr. Zen give us already said that the Supreme Facial Toner, clarifying age serum, and anti-aging serum with ultimate facial serum, those anti-aging, anti-wrinkling, wrinkle, hydratant, anti-acne, anti-inflammatory, revitalizing, youth, and action on eye area. All those substances, those serums are very good as anti-aging, against wrinkle, hydration of the skin, against acne, and against inflammation. And they do revitalize and they make the skin remain young, and the area around the eyes also. Okay. So talking about cannabinoid oils, we have several dosage, 150, 300, 600, and 1,200. We have various tastes, coconut, cinnamon, mint, vanilla. The content is CBD, CBG, CBDV, CBN, CBC. Here we have the respect of the entourage effects. We can use them in various indications. So, Mr. Zen talk about the rescue balm that combine sea buckthorn oil, healing compound, ideal cannabinoid for burns, sunburns, skin rash, dry skin, and general skin conditioning. We have that in during a couple of weeks. We can see that before and after the treatment, the rescue balm act efficacious with a good result on psoriasis. You can see it on this slide. So the Citrus Plus body cream is hydrating, soften, rejuvenate the skin, healing and repairing the skin. This is suitable to all type of skin, black, white, yellow. The body polish is a very good exfoliating scrub with very fine shell powder to remove dead skin cells. Combine action of cannabinoids to smooth the skin and give it a radiant appearance. We can have a delicious fresh scent of orange and mint on the skin after they apply it. So we can just talk about the type of cannabinoid that you know already. Mr. Zen talked about this: CBC, CBD, CBDV, CBG, CBN, and all the indication. You can see on this slide that they have various indications on the health, and the benefits are also various on seizure, cancer, glaucoma, Parkinson's disease, hepatitis C, Crohn's disease, arthritis, to keep yourself thin, PTSD, symptomatology, pain relief, asthma, anxiety. So, as shown by several studies around the world, with their entourage effect, the cannabinoid contained in Sokavo product play a major role in the fight against skin affection with prevention and curative by mechanism described above. They are recommended in progressive dose for oral one that are used orally to reach an optimum effective dosage. So the endocannabinoid system is involved in homeostasis. This is good. And this is particular on the skin. It participates even more at the level of the skin. CB1 and CB2 receptors remain major therapeutic targets. Sokavo had made available to the public a very wide range of food supplement and cannabinoid derivatives. This gives access to good health. By ensuring the epigenetic control of gene for skin differentiation, Sokavo play a major role in the fight against the disease through its cannabinoid derivative. Thank you for your kind attention.
Thank you, Dr. Raymond. I'll turn on my video. I don't look nearly as handsome as as Dr. Raymond or Rosa. And Rosa, I'm gonna ask you if you would maybe just share what your experience has been, if that's okay, with using these products for your skin and how that's been for you.
Thank you, Zane. And I will also thank you, Sokavo, and you in particular for making the best skincare product as well as health and wellness products. I started using this product in March, and as soon as I started with the polish, the body polish, I could feel my skin because I used to have some little pimples around my face, a dead skin, and tired skin. So I used everything. I mean, from the anti-aging, actually, by the time you finish, you already see how, you see the glow and you feel the smoothness all over your skin. So I was like, oh my goodness. And this is so cheap because most women will spend $500-600 to go to the top brand names to buy it, but ours is so affordable. And as soon as I did that, people started saying, oh, your skin looks good. What are you using? What are you doing? You look 20. I said, no, I'm not 20. So it's really beautiful. I didn't even know about the rescue balm. My daughter has really suffered from eczema since she was born. Her knees are black everywhere, and during winter, it just attacks her like that. So I started giving her, and the body cream actually took away all the dark spots from her body, everything. She's almost like really light skin now. I'm like, oh my goodness, this is real. So I started sharing it, and it's been wonderful because my daughter's eczema and skin problem was really a problem for me. My own skin too, I used to have some dark spots on my knee, and all of that is all gone. So I'm so grateful. I'll really recommend everybody to try these products. They are cheap, they are affordable. You will not spend a lot to look good, beautiful, and forever young. So try them and you'll be happy within a week or two. And it's good for all our skin types. And I'm really grateful. Thank you, Zane, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you for sharing. And thanks for jumping on this morning. Does anybody have any questions? If you do, I would be happy to try and answer it. If not, I would just say, just a couple of things. If you want to try it, remember every Sukavu product has a 60-day money back. If you don't love it, we'll buy it back from you, guarantee. I say that because people that try our skincare get on it and they love it. They love it because, like Dr. Raymond was saying, your endocannabinoid system is huge. It's your skin has its own ecosystem. It has its own endocannabinoid system, and by balancing out your skin, it's going to help you feel better. It really is. It's awesome. Like I told you, I'm a guy who I don't use lotions or anything, but when I made the body cream, for the first time, I was like, oh, I could use this. This feels good for a guy. Right. And the body polish that Rose is talking about, I love that. Oh my gosh, it makes my hands feel so soft and smooth when I use the body polish. So we know you'll love it. Get with who invited you. If you have questions, they can help you get an order. If you want to get an order in, we would love to do that. And we're very excited. So thank you for joining us this Saturday, wherever you are in the world, whether you're in Switzerland or Cameroon or America, we're grateful for you jumping on with us. So have a great day.
I had a question.
Yeah, I got an answer. Hey, Krista.
Hey, I had somebody asking about scars and I heard you mention it. So would it be the clarifying or the rescue balm?
If it's on your face, I would use the clarifying. If it's on your body, I would use the rescue balm.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You bet. Yeah, that's a big one. A lot of people have, scars, maybe even acne scars or different things that they want to help lighten or get rid of. And the clarifying is a fantastic serum for that if you have them on your face. And if you have them, other parts of your body, maybe a scarf, I would use the rescue balm for sure. Okay, great questions. Everybody have an amazing Saturday. We'll see you guys later. Thank you.
Thank you, Zane. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.